Welcome to the Hex Base 2 instruction video. Assuming that you just got a box of these in the mail, you're going to notice that there's a protective paper covering on both sides of the base. To remove this easily, look for the cutout notch on the edge of the hex base, and use that as a starting point to peel the paper off of both sides. You've got all the paper peeled, you've got all your figures set up, you're ready to start using your bases. So how do you do that? The first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that your bases are right side up, which you can determine by making sure that that same notch you used to peel the paper is in this position. If it's in this position, it's right side up. If it looks like this, it's upside down. You're going to want to make sure that they're right side up because that's the side that you want to insert pegs from. When you're getting ready to put a lot of figures on these bases, what I like to do is set up one base with a small peg, one base with a medium peg, and one base with a large peg. And then I use those as a test sizing batch in order to determine what size pegs I need for each figure. So let's go through those pegs, starting with small, and insert that into the socket on the hex base with the peg end down like shown. Then you're going to want to take a solid object, like another peg or a coin or a base, and use that to press the peg all the way down until it is flush into the base. Once you have your 3 test bases set up, go ahead and put them on a firm surface and you can start sizing your figures. A good fit is not going to be loose. It's also not going to be so tight that it feels like you have to really force the figure down onto the peg. If you have to force it, the peg is too large and you need to use a smaller size. Once you've got the figures sized out, just go ahead and get them on some bases, pose them up how you like, and enjoy. There's a lot of neat little things you can do with these bases by positioning them in different ways to achieve standing poses that otherwise wouldn't work, so go ahead and play around with them and see what you can do. To remove a peg, turn the base upside down, take a loose peg, align the loose peg peg end down to the bottom of the inserted peg like shown to make an L shape, and then just push down. I hope you enjoy your hex bases, and if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me at any of the Can of Beams social pages or through the contact form on the website.